Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 15. Yeah, so we're at day 15. So that means just 10 more days until Christmas. So that means there's 10 more videos after this one. In today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. I mentioned this in my previous, I think my last two videos that I had like recently bought a vlogging camera, and here it is. I got it off of Amazon. I think it was like 70 or 65, but I think it was on sale. I think the actual price is like $80 or $90, but yeah, I got it on sale. I was kind of tired of doing behind the scenes on my phone because my phone runs out of storage quite often, and it was very annoying to try to figure out what to and ignore my nails. Try to figure out what to record, what goes, like what I delete, and things like that. It's just very tedious. And also I wanted something where I can have something like I can carry with me that's pretty lightweight. So yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna clip this on. And yeah, I don't know where the buffer is for this. Um, I have to go find that. I don't know where that is. Yeah, gonna be showing you guys what comes inside of the camera. Okay, so this is what the inside of this looks like. I'm gonna take out the white box first. White box is labeled accessories. Oh, okay. It just comes with a whole bunch of cables. I'm gonna assume that one of these is for charging it. I would hope so. This is an HD cord. Oh, okay. This is a memory card, the memory card that it comes with. And then, oh, okay. And these are the batteries. So basically, I have to put all these things inside the camera. I don't know why I thought that would have been set up already. This looks like some sort of strap for the camera. This looks like the charger for the camera, and then this is an extra lens cap. So that's all that's in this mini box. If we go back to this box, the manual that I know that I'm not going to read because I like to wing things. I don't know why. I just like to do that. The what is this? The back piece, is that what it's called? Or like the charging piece for the charger. This little wipe to wipe off the lens. I don't know what this is. It says charge something. Oh, I guess you plug the charger in here, and this is where you charge the bat. Oh, this might be where we charge. Where is it? These. I think this is the battery. I think you put the battery in here, and then you plug in the charger from here. That would make the most sense. And then this feels like the star of the show. So let's open it up. I'm kind of sad because I wanted the white one, which isn't on brand for me because I usually just get like anything that's like black. But I didn't want the black one because I was like everything else I own is black, so I wanted the white to like stand out. But the white sold out by the time I got it, so I ended up getting the black one. But look at her. This is what she looks like. Yeah, I also made sure to get one that like flips out so that way I can see myself. Um, when I'm recording instead of trying to figure out if I'm in frame or not. Yeah, this is what she looks like. On top, there's a space for me to like put a flash on top. This button is the power button. And then if I want to mount it on top of something, I can do that. But it's not going to turn on because it doesn't have any of the, remember, it doesn't have any of the batteries in it, and it doesn't have, I don't think it's charged. I don't think any of the batteries are like fully charged. Oh, okay. So I just clicked this open. It was closed. I slid that open, and then this is what the inside looks like. So then this is where these would go, I would assume. Let's try it out. Okay, trying to, okay, wait, is this gonna fit in here? Face down. Oh, I turned wrong way. Face down. Oh, it's only one at a time. Oh, okay. Don't ask me why. I don't know why I thought it would be two. But yeah, that's in there. So I guess I can close that up now. Is this going to turn on now? Welcome. Oh, the quality is... the quality needs work. The quality needs work. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but I can see myself. But yeah, I feel like once I figure out what settings are what, and I'm definitely going to get a light to attach to this because I feel like this is gonna need that. I have a light for my camera that's like above right now. I have my ring light in the back, and then I also have an attached light to my phone. But I think this is gonna need its own like separate like slide in light just so that way. I just want to keep everything separate. I'm gonna end up still using this phone light for like my personal use and for my phone. But yeah, no, I feel like once I get the hang of like changing up the settings a little bit, because the quality isn't horrible. Oh wait, there's something on the lens. I didn't take it off. Okay, it didn't make that much of a difference. I thought I was having like one of those moments of like, oh, you forgot to take the lens off, or you forgot to take it off. That's why it looks like that. No, it still looks a little weird. It's what's the word I'm looking for? It's grainy. That's what that is. It's very grainy. You can see a lot of noise in the background. But again, once I'm able to kind of just like fix up the settings to my liking, then that'll be great. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I just wanted you guys to see like my brand new vlogging camera. I think I'm gonna try to do another video probably sometime next week. So I have another Christmas photo shoot to do next week. Probably sometime next week where I show you guys like what footage from the camera actually looks like. And to see if you want to add it to your collection. Again, this only cost me $70. Listen, I will pay this again over and over before I pay for a vlogging camera that's $400. Again, I wouldn't consider myself like a vlogger, but I'd consider myself someone who wants to like vlog here and there and also take behind the scenes content. So again, if you're a photographer, if you're someone who again like you want to like you just want behind the scenes content but you don't need like the most like expensive camera, kind of just make do with what you have. And I honestly think that this is going to be a great investment for me moving forward. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Again, I'm doing Vlogmas 25 days. We're on day 15, so that means there are 10 days left. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.